Hello guys, it's Rickaquaog and welcome to another video. Tecno just launched the new Camon 16 Premier here in Ghana a few days ago. Its main selling feature being a 90Hz display, a 64 megapixel main sensor for a camera, and it supports 33 watts of super fast charging. Since we've already covered a first impression video on this channel, in this video we're going to talk about the launch itself and everything that went down. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. Getting straight to it, the program began with a little history of how far the Camon series has come. From the Camon CX all the way to Camon 15, which came with the first selfie pop-up camera on a Tecno device, and now we have the Camon 16. They went ahead to talk about the display, which is the main selling feature of this device. This has a 90Hz screen refresh rate and has a 6.9-inch panel, so it produces an immersive feeling. Then they went ahead to talk about the cameras. The cameras, we have a 64 megapixel main sensor for a camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel dedicated macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. For videos, this device will be able to shoot 4K at 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization. So this is going to produce some smooth footages when you decide to take videos. Tecno made us aware this camera system is going to provide one of the best when it comes to photography and videography. I'll put this to the test when we finally have this in the studio. They went ahead to talk about the performance. This device has a MediaTek Helio J90T chipset, which is a 12nm chipset, so hopefully we're going to get some smooth gameplay when using this device. Also spoke about the huge storage on this device. We have a 128GB of storage and also 8GB of RAM for all your daily activities. Also, this device is going to be powered by a 4500 mAh battery, which also supports 33 watts of super fast charging, so you know you can easily juice up your device. Then Tecno went ahead to introduce some new accessories, which I'm actually curious to try out. The new Tecno watches that can check your temperature, also the Tecno H2 headphones, which they say is going to produce some decent sound, which I also can't wait to try out. So these and other Tecno accessories Tecno is going to release, which is going to create that Tecno ecosystem. So this is everything that went down at the show. The show was a really fun one to attend. I can't wait to still have the device in-house so we can actually fully test it out. This brings us to the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. If you want to see my first initial impressions video, I'm going to link it up above. Go check it out. You can also leave in the comment section your questions that you want me to answer in the full review. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.